Behind the design, Polypropylene Flex. This client needed multiple pairs of custom orthotics with the same amount of flex or rigidity in each pair. They required consistency in flex for consistency in patient results. The orthotic aim was for consistency of orthotic reaction force and control across multiple pairs with the ability to order repeat pairs and get the same result. They were able to select from 5 options for polypropylene flex from the shell material options in the detailed scripting section of the DOLA custom prescription form. Selecting the same flex for each pair ensured consistent results. Direct milled polypropylene is offered in 5 flex options to suit all patient types and prescription aims. Traditionally, polypropylene can be used as a thermoplastic material, heated and vacuum pressed to a positive cast. The heating and pressing process allowed inconsistency in the plastic thickness with stretch. CAD-CAM involves direct milling both sides from a block of polypropylene and allows flexibility differences to be only a fraction of a millimetre and consistency in manufacturing. The lack of heating in the manufacturing process allows consistency in the flex of the finished product. A polypropylene orthotic acts by resisting flexion under load of the foot and can be shaped, wedged, or angled to provide orthotic reaction force as required. Therefore, consistency in the product is important. DOLA offers multiple levels of polypropylene flex for prescription from ultra to extra firm to suit all patient types and prescription aims. Orthotip. Factors to consider in the flex choice for your polypropylene orthotic shell include the patient's body weight, the orthotic reaction force required, clinical test results including the manual supination resistance test, the activities the patient will undertake, and the footwear characteristics. 3D printed orthotic shells are available in the same flex options as our polypropylene range. Again, factors to consider in this choice include patient body weight, orthotic reaction force, clinical test results, planned activities, and footwear attributes.